What's up everybody, welcome to the vlog. Just about to take off here. All these really fast boards. We're gonna try and keep up. Does anybody recognize this guy from the earlier vlogs? You may not recognize him without his helmet and without a gaping hole in his knee. He rode it out. He's here. And how's your knee?
Perfect.
Perfect. Let's go.
Yeah, well, the first ride we'll go down the straightaway. It's like.
So today we'll be trying out the new Insta360 One R. We got these lens guards on it because I break these things like crazy. So hopefully keep this thing safe, have some fun, check out this footage. Got a man down.
You didn't have him.
You look like Daft Punk doing skateboard.
Hell yeah.
So you ready to roll again?
Hell yeah, we're ready to go. Let's do this.
We got the board fixed, let's rock. So we just took off. Didn't make it very far. Now we got another board down. So that's the thing with DIY boards. You'll definitely be able to go be the fastest one out there like these guys, just tremendous. A little more tinkering involved.
The tire like slipped in. I guess I never had one on. There's no way like a speed ring disintegrates, you know? Maybe?
Yeah. I mean, you were flying, so it could have evaporated.
All right.
The speed ring evaporated, vaporized.
And so
when you go light speed, that shit happens.
Yeah, I guess like mass energy.
He's gonna take it easy now that he's had to jerry rig his board. Keep it under 45 miles an hour, please. Guys, that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you later.
That's how new rampages are made.